Hi guys, for now, I don't think anyone can reject that Docker is a very important tool for everyone to use, either in the test environment, development environment, or the productions. And the first step, very first step of working with Docker is to install on your Mac. So now let me walk you through how to do that. The first step to install Docker on Mac is to browse to https docs.docker.com. Okay, and then it will land you to this page. You scroll down a little bit to find the Apple icon here. It's written there, Docker desktop for Mac. Just click here, download. Okay, download, and there will be a button here, download from Docker Hub. Okay, click here. It will redirect you to another page. Okay, and once you are there, you will see a link to get Docker. Okay, now please make sure the link is for get Docker desktop for Mac. Yeah, because if you get the Windows version or Windows version, it will never be working. Okay, click get Docker here. Okay, now it will download Docker file for you. Okay, now the file is finished. We double click here, docker.dmg. Okay, when it is finished extracting, you will see this pop-up showing. The one is the Docker icon with the word Docker here. Another one is a shortcut to the photo application. Just drag it here and copy. Okay, it will take a few minutes to finish that. Okay, to check whether you install the Docker correctly, let's try to open the terminal and type Docker. If you see this screen, that means you successfully installed the Docker. This one is the help screen of the Docker. Yep, you can worry about it better. So basically, if you want to even make sure more, you can start to run Docker with the image Alpine. In the Docker world, what Alpine mean? Alpine means the minimum that it can run. So basically, if I run the Docker image Alpine, that means I run the minimum version of the Docker. Okay, so it's finished now. So even you don't see anything, but it's already finished the Alpine image and exit correctly. So if you want to hold the screen of the Alpine, you can enter the command at the end of the above command to override the start command of Docker. In the Docker, it will, by default, if you don't specify any command at the end, it will run the command that bundle to the Docker file. I will explain this later in the next clip. So, but for now, don't need to care much about it. But let me show you now. Let me show you. If you type uname here, dash a, which is going to show the OS now. Now, my OS is the Mac OS. Yep, you can see Darwin Virtualin MacBook Pro. Okay, now I will run Docker run -it alpine sh. Yep, you see the last sh. That means I will start the Docker alpine with this command. Anyone familiar with the shell script, you know sh is the command to start the shell. You can enter here. Now I will start the Docker alpine with the start shell on it. Basically, I will show you very soon what has been changed. Okay, now you see the prompt is already changed from Virtual MacBook Pro to the prompt of the Alpine Docker image. Now if we type uname, sorry, uname dash a, now it will become the OS version of the Alpine image already. You type ls pwd, everything changed already. And if you need to exit, just type exit here. Like the same thing, you exit the shell. Okay, so if you can doing this, you can make sure you finish installing the Docker. Yeah, and that's it. That's how we install Docker on your Mac machine. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to click the subscribe button here or click the ring bell here just to make sure when you will not miss this kind of video when I upload it next time. So see you next time. Bye bye.